Hi, I'm Trevor from Pico Technology. We've got a few Picoscopes in front of us here, starting with the Picoscope 2200 series. It offers bandwidths from 10 MHz up to 200 MHz, 2 analog channels plus an arbitrary waveform generator, and it's connected and powered by the USB connector on the back. It's the Picoscope that fits in your shirt pocket. You can take it anywhere you like. The Picoscope 3000 series offers up to 200 MHz bandwidth, a choice of either 2 or 4 analog channels. On the mixed signal models, 16 digital channels. The arbitrary waveform generator output is at the back, and like every other Picoscope model, it is USB connected here to the host computer. The Picoscope 5000 is our range of flexible resolution models. A choice of 2 or 4 analog channels, an arbitrary waveform generator, the USB connector at the back, and resolution that is selectable by the user from 8 through 10, 12, 14, 15 or even 16 bits of resolution. The 4824 is an 8-channel model. It offers 20 MHz bandwidth, 12 bits of resolution and 256 megasamples of buffer memory. The arbitrary waveform generator connector is at the back. Not shown here is the model 6000. It offers up to 500 megahertz of bandwidth, 2 gigasamples of buffer memory, and 5 gigasamples per second of sampling speed. And with that, there really is a Picoscope for every application. Thanks for watching.